What's up?
I can use your food stamp card.
What's that? Jersey. Who you on the phone with? Who? What's up? He wanted me or he wanted you? He called you. He didn't call me.
No, he said. I called you.
What's up?
I can use your food stamp card.
I am on live. Bye. Get out. Why would you say? Y'all did not just hear that, okay? No, I turned it off. That's crazy. Hey. Like Nike, why the would he say that? Now they finna be telling everybody. No. They finna snitch on me. Woo. I'm finna get in trouble with y'all. That is crazy. Then Jersey police. I told y'all Jersey is the police. Because he knew what he was doing. Jersey is the police, y'all. I swear to God. Anytime my kids go somewhere in Jersey, gonna tell me everything. I have kids, y'all. I'm tripping. Like, what? Yeah, I have kids. I promise I use my for my kids. They say I pinky promise. I promise. Now I want to get off live because that was just too much. That's why I got that blocked. They finna be like, oh my God, this is finna be bad. I can feel it. I'm just gonna delete delete it off my phone. Oh my God. They like, fuck them, yo. I know, I got kids, baby. Them he eat every damn thing. You goddamn right, bitch. I'm finna go. Let me look at your picture. You kind of do. I can see your face. We got the same kind of face features. Features. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Oh, I got a washer. Wait, y'all look what I got. It wash and it dry. So I gotta fix it up, whatever. But y'all, this thing wash and dry my clothes at the same time. So you know how you normally have a washer and you have a dryer? This do everything all at once. It wash and it dry, and I just love this damn thing. Have y'all seen that?
Y'all, stop playing with your time. If you hate moving wet clothes to the dryer, you need this Samsung AI combo. It washes and dries in the same machine. Dirty clothes go in, dry clothes come out. One cycle, done. I linked the exact one from Amazon down below. Click that link and level up your laundry game.
I'm ready to go outside, baby. I'm at home by my damn self. I'm ready to go outside. I ain't gonna lie. I don't feel like I'm snowed in, because, baby, if I want to drive, I'm going to drive my car. One thing about it, I got a Range Rover outside, and it got a snow mode, bitch. I'm going to get in that bitch, and I was finna go to Memphis. The helly? I don't want to play no music right now. I'm chilling. I got waste stuff on my shirt. My kids, they in their room. They gonna be in here in a minute, because they be coming in here every 5 seconds like they crazy. When you coming to Lauderdale? I don't know. It's not a lick of snow outside, like nothing. Yes, I have 2 kids. I know how to drive, y'all. I know how to drive, so I'm not one of them people that don't like, oh, it's raining, I'm not finna drive. No, bitch, I don't even like sitting in this house. I already did. I'm finna block you. I think it's like 40 degrees. No, I don't play in the snow. I don't play in the bad weather, but I will drive. I like the we grown. I like the my That's mine. But good thing we got food in this. Only thing I'm really having withdrawals right now because I'm trying to stop smoking and drinking. So like I've been dealing with like I've been dealing with whatever I'm dealing with. Sober. I'm sober. I'm sober as Normally y'all I be have to smoke me a hookah. I'm gonna tell my manager to check the email. But y'all, I dead ass been in this bitch like I want a hookah so bad, or I want to drink so bad, but I'm trying to stop because I don't be having no energy. Yeah, I'm doing it. I'm choosing to stop due to the fact I don't be having no energy. Like once that wear off, I be so sleepy. I be so tired. Like I would go to sleep all day. Like I just be sleep. Like I don't know. I don't like this. That's why I made me a smoothie this morning. I also been trying not to eat nothing heavy. So like I've been eating light foods like steaks and Mm-mm. You know what? I never eat mushrooms, but that do sound like it would work. I actually got some tea downstairs too. I need to be trying to drink. But y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all the reason why I be drinking this shit because I really be like overstimulated by life. Like if I be around people, it be so much shit going through my damn head, and it's like so much shit be going through my head. Then it be cameras. Told you it was gonna come, and I do have low iron. What's up? Order some pizza. I can make you some pizza. Yeah. Yeah, I got social anxiety very bad. Thank you. Hi. Y'all, I look a mess. I need to get my hair done. I need to get my nails done. I need to get my eyebrows done. I just I need a massage. I need some real good loving, like some real good shit. Like I need some shit that's gonna last me a month. And then I'm be good. But I've been doing good keeping my little cooter to myself. Sitting on the toilet is crazy. No, and my tub is right there. No, I don't do trifling stuff like that. I feel like that is disgusting. Y'all will never see me on the toilet. The I just left. We've been together a year. He never seen me go to the bathroom. I don't even play like that. This is disgusting. I don't know why I'm like that. Like I would send that to the store if I gotta go to the bathroom, but I'm not. No, I don't even like saying that type of words. I don't know. Yeah, I don't pass gas. I don't do none of that. I don't got nothing to do with what Jayden already got going on. I don't be in nobody like. I can go wherever I want to. I have a Range Rover. Put that Marquise. No. I press one button and put my car in snow mode. And it drives by itself and it parks by itself, baby. We're gonna be good. I promise. Pick, what the hell was that? No. Stop! Get out my chair! And I just bit my tongue. You trying to send me a cash out? I done spent too much money. Too much money. Between my kid birthday, Christmas, what the else? Rent, car note, warehouse.
She talking about warehouses and inventory costs? Look, don't let that scare you. You don't need a warehouse to start getting to the bag. If you've been thinking about starting a brand, Shopify is the plug. You can start selling right now without all that overhead she's talking about. I got y'all a hookup. Click the link in the description to start your Shopify trial for just $1 a month. Stop waiting and boss up.
I done spent too much money. Inventory. Y'all better go clean up so we can go. And I feel like if it don't snow, they owe us an apology and somebody needs to go to jail for lying. What you be going to the studio to do, if you don't mind? What you mean what I be going to the studio with to do? See niggas' face? What do you mean? I be working. I just put out a project. Y'all know I'm not going back on baddies. Yeah, I don't got no phone call. I don't want to be on baddies. I don't want to be in that type of limelight. Like, this shit ain't even. Yeah. I want to be on some positive shit. I want y'all to. Y'all ain't even been giving me my props, bitch. I've been rapping. I've been back rapping. No, I don't live in Memphis. I wanted to drive to Memphis though because I didn't want to be here with no asking ass kids. I don't want to be snowed in with no kids that be asking me, "Can you do this out there? Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you do this?" Mom. I would rather go get a hotel room in Memphis and let them get on my mama nerves. What are y'all doing? How y'all holding up? Are y'all good? Are y'all snowed in? Do y'all got some food, some water? Don't lose y'all mind in the house with them kids, cause